Ka Sikkim Police kelayo ke Jingithuh ke Khraw tam. Namar ke Jing Tibet ki Pulit jangka bantri kam bat ban Shakri ki patba. Bat lapin ku buram ki da ke President Police Scholars. Bat ke dai ke jilla ke Bakhatsan habarok kuwe kiri India ban yo ya ke ni ke buram. Director General of Police Wakshay Sakdeva lapin tikna ya ke ni ba ke Ministry of Home Affairs lapin mena ya ke ni haka khandru trek ukla lingkat. DGP ulaong ba kaburam kalit siya bro ki Pulit jangka jela Sikkim naduk ki Pulit langrut haduk ki officer bakin thop naduk ki tu ki belasong that no naga kamru. Ulaong ba kajing yo ya kani kaburam kadiling ba kajing shilur jang ki Pulit langrut kajing teri shitam ki officer mat kajing IT yaladi ki officer rangba hakakam kin thop ki tu ki belasong that. Kani ka khusnam President Police Scholars kamde satya ka baju ay man la usnem. Hendrela aya kani khusnam tang lada ki jilla ki bakatnar Pulit jongki kani batri shitam man Shakri shisha yagi paitba haga diga tha jete lami ngi hadu menta ki bela yo ya kani khusnam ditang ke jilla Tripura bat Assam bat menta par klayo ka Sikkim.
It's a matter of great honor and pride for Sikkim Police. In fact, all members of Sikkim Police who are still serving and who have retired as well, because Honorable President of India has been pleased to confer the President's Colour Award to Sikkim Police. We got this communique from the Ministry of Home Affairs on 16th of January. There are various parameters on the basis of which Sikkim Police has got this award. As you all know, Sikkim is one of the most peaceful states in the country. Maintenance of law and order by the Sikkim Police, maintenance of public order is one of the important parameters. Prevention and detection of crime, efficient traffic management, internal security, cleanliness of the entire state, public and tourist friendly nature of Sikkim Police are some of the parameters on which they have assessed us. There are other parameters as well. The ease with which FIRs are registered in our police stations. In many of the crimes against women and children, our charge sheets are to the tune of 90% plus. On cases NDPS and SADA, we are waging a war against drugs. That has also been noted. Especially Bharatiya Nyaya Sanghita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanghita and the Bharatiya Saksh Adhiniyam, Sikkim Police has really toiled hard to educate its members on these laws which have been enacted by the Parliament, and we have also gone to members of public and we are educating the public regarding these. Some of the other fronts are also the various online portals on which Sikkim Police is leading. Something like CCTNS portal, NAFIS, which is a automated fingerprints identification system, NCOD, which is the narcotics coordination portal, and National Cybercrime Reporting Center, where we help the people on cyber frauds. We have done a lot of good work on the cyber front, educating people, and people of Sikkim, I think, amongst people of the country, are one of the most educated and sensitized people. So these are some of the very important parameters on which Sikkim Police has been assessed, and we are very proud to say that we are the 15th state in the country. Only 14 states since 1947 have got this award.